everyone, Melissa here, and I wanted to come in on this Monday to my business page. I haven't been in here for a while because I've been spending all my time over in my group called Success in Life and Leadership. So if you want to join us over there for all the free training that I've been offering and tips and tricks to help you grow your business and your life, I suggest that you get on over there and join us. I have some training tomorrow that you might be interested in. I'll drop the link below. But as you know, I am Melissa Kirkpatrick, the business and life coach that you've been seeking, that you probably didn't know you even needed a coach. And I want to help you get to what's going on, what's holding you back. You know, oftentimes we have these desires and we really get excited about it. We're focused. We plan for it, whether it's to lose weight, make more money, get a new job, get out of a relationship, get in a relationship. And then all of a sudden something trips us up. What is that? What's that about? And, you know, for me, it's always about I lose sight of why. Why did I start this journey to begin with? My story usually is about wanting things quicker than they're coming. I get impatient and I just feel frustrated. And because, you know, I'm not losing the weight overnight or my bank account didn't go, you know, full overnight, like that's where you start losing the faith or the hope. And then it holds you back because while you're trying to refocus, maybe you're also creating the old stories. I knew it wasn't going to work. This always happens to me. I don't know what I was thinking. And that's where allowing yourself permission to be aware of those thoughts and the feelings and then say to yourself, you know what? I don't want this to hold me back anymore. So what can I do differently? And that's probably where most of us don't even know, right? So what I suggest is take a journal, piece of paper, something, even your voice recorder on your phone, and just talk about it. Talk about it like you're talking to a friend. If your friend came to you and said, I always fail, I never follow through, I can't lose the weight, I can't get the job, I can't make the money, like what would you say to them? And give that response in all the forms, whatever forms it is that it comes out as, because that's usually what holds us back is in that dialogue. You'll hear yourself. It's because I tried 10 other times and it didn't work. And this old story is playing in the background. So even though you're moving forward and positive, somewhere there's a trigger that allows that old story to come back and you say, you know what, that's the old story. It's not going to work out this time. Or maybe you don't even know the direction to go. I really, really want to start my own business, or I want to leave my 9-to-5, and you don't even know how to have that conversation with yourself, but you can still think about it. Well, I remember when so-and-so left their 9-to-5, or I remember when someone started their own business. There's stories attached to that. And oftentimes those stories can be what's keeping you stuck and stalled. Well, Susie started her own business and after 3 years she had to close it, or Sally finally retired and now her health is bad. Like there are stories connected to a lot of the things that hold us back and we just don't realize it. So what's next? What's next for you? So I am all about being in service as we wrap up 2021 and move into 2022. I mean, there are so many things that I want to share. I want to help people. I'm tired of seeing people stay stuck and stalled. I've done my own work. I've seen my own challenges. I've worked with my clients and know what they're struggling with. And so I want to just really be of a giving service of helping you, because it's that one little thing. Once you can get past that little whatever that's holding you back, and most of the time it's those beliefs, those limiting beliefs that you've created around stories and situations and circumstances that's happened that doesn't give you the why. Why am I doing it? No one cares why you get out of bed, but you care why you get out of bed. So why do you do that? And that's what I'm talking about. What's next? How can you get out of that stuck place, out of that confusion, out of just staying paralyzed, and move into what's next for you? What do you really want? What desire do you have so strongly that you want to create in your business or your life that no excuse is going to allow you to stop? Now, there might be stumbling blocks, there might be some setbacks, but really getting focused. I've been coaching for years now, and that overnight success takes 5 to 10 years in the making, and I'm getting to understand that now. And it's because I stayed committed, I stayed focused, I stayed in the game. And that's where, you know, you being able to stay in the game. Like, how do you do that? Well, you get the support, the accountability, someone who's going to really keep track for you, however that looks. It could be a significant other, it could be your spouse, it could be your kids, it could be a family member, it could be a relative, could be a coworker, could be a coach, just saying. But find what it is that's going to keep you moving forward. You can do your own practice too. You can journal every day. What did I do? What am I celebrating? How was yesterday? How's today going to be? Setting those intentions are big, because that allows you to say, my intention is I want to get on a healthier weight loss program. Doesn't mean that's a goal. It's just the intention is there. My intention is to get a raise from my current employer. My intention is to start my own business. See how it's less doesn't feel as heavy as a goal does. Well, my goal is this, and if I don't get it because there's a deadline, there's a timeline, someone's tracking, if I mess up tomorrow, throw it out. But with intentions, every day you get to refresh that intention. What do I want to do today to get closer to what it is I truly desire? What is my intention moving forward so that I can be successful, so that I can create the business and life that I love? As I mentioned earlier on this, when I started talking, get into that success in life and leadership, because there's all kinds of training going down there. The other thing is Thursday this week, I'm so excited to be bringing back my vision board class. Now, it's not the same class that we had last year because I've learned a lot more. I've discovered new things. I have a way of helping you to really get clear on what it is you want, create this vision bigger than you can imagine, and activate how you can activate it into getting your life going on track. And, as I mentioned, the intentions is the very first start of that. So we're going to be breaking that down in the training on Thursday, December the 9th, from noon to 1. You've got to get registered for it so that you can get the live link. But also, if you register, you're going to be able to get the replay and some other bonuses that I'll be offering. So get on the list, get signed up, and let's start taking you out of what's holding you back to what's next? What are the possibilities? And just start daydreaming about what would your life look like if you really committed to every day making, as my friend says, one small change toward that goal, towards what it is you want to change. If it's something as small as buying a new comforter for your bed or buying a new throw blanket for your couch, whatever it is, do something. Set the intention to do something small. Maybe you're not going to eat after 9 o'clock. Maybe you're going to start brushing your teeth at night. All of those things will start adding up for you to raise your vibration, to start getting the clarity and feel good about what it is you want to create next. Because when you're in the old stories, when you're living in the past, when you're telling didn't work for them, didn't work for this person or that person, it's like that's where you're going to stay stuck. That's what's holding you back. And that's what this message is about. What's holding you back and what's going to take you forward? What's next? How can you change this? And I'm always happy to talk to you one-on-one if you really want to have that conversation to get where you get that personalized understanding of what's going on. But this training that I've been doing, I did a whole month in November on Tuesday, training about habits. Go check that out in that group as well. It's also on YouTube, my YouTube channel, Melissa Kirkpatrick, Business Coach. So go check it out there. Check out the website, whatever. DM me, comment below. I want to help you get to that next version, that next level. I want you to no longer be holding yourself back. We're almost done with the year 2021. Look how fast it's gone. And, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And that's where I've decided it's not negotiable anymore. You've got to be ready. You've got to let all this start transpiring and start creating the business and life you love. And it takes you stepping into this new version. You're here and you want to be there, and I want to help you get there. I want to build that bridge for you. And as I say with my new logo and design, it's about that lighthouse. You've got to build the lighthouse in the bedrocks, no longer building it on sand. Build out that framework and you will just start fulfilling all of those things that you really have desired for your life and your business. Okay, you going to come along? I hope that you will. Comment below if you watched all of this. I really appreciate you being here. And again, get into that group. I'll drop that as well. So that's all I have for you today. I'm happy to be in here talking with you, but I will look forward to seeing you at the webinar on Thursday for your vision board creation. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.